Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To not find a solution about Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to Google Classroom. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And after that you can go to Play Store. You will search about Google Classroom update here. If you will find it in this plus sign, and you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.